I did a drawing of Halle Berry and Fetty Wap and two Jamaican politicians.
Just like gone on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
I was on the bus and I found a camera and I thought it was our camera.
Vlogging camera?
Yeah, our camera, but this one, the Canon 80D, and I found it on the bus.
Right.
But it never had the lens on it. So
okay.
I brought it to you and I says, did you leave our camera on the bus or something?
Oh, we're talking about the dream.
A dream I had.
Yeah.
And he says no. So I said, oh, look what I found then. So
Alright.
I showed you the camera. It was very good. It was new and everything. And I somehow got this bag. I don't know if I found the camera in this bag.
Right.
And it was like a briefcase. And there was so many compartments to it, you know. And there was like a book of stamps, but these stamps were English stamps, British stamps.
We still got some English stamps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and they were blue. And
We got some blue English stamps.
really?
Yeah.
In a briefcase?
No briefcase,
And
no.
you know, like when our blue bowls that we have
Yeah.
out in the kitchen, I was taking all this money out, all this change, and it was British money.
Right.
But I think we were still in Switzerland, you know,
Okay.
and I felt like we were still in Switzerland because I kept saying to myself, oh, why is that British money? These two guys were, and that's our briefcase. And I was saying, no, it's not your briefcase. I found it.
Right.
So where did you lose it? They were getting pretty aggressive, you know, so I said, I took the money and whatever else I wanted out the briefcase and the camera, and it says here, this is what was in there.
You gave it back.
Yeah, but I kept the money.
Okay, we kept the money. Hello.
Hello, people.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been about a week and a half.
Today, we're gonna approach the vlog in a different way.
Yeah.
Instead of talking to you guys, we're just gonna get on with what we do on a daily basis.
Exactly.
Or today, and fill you in on it.
Yeah.
As you heard just now, Wife for Life had a dream about money, but
Yes.
we might be coming into some money
I
now.
hope so.
You know?
What we've started to do actually is we started to play Euro Millions lottery in the last 3 weeks. So.
You know, I've said this already on this channel that you know I'm not really a gambling type of guy. You know, I don't believe I don't believe in the lottery. You know, I just think I do believe that people win. I know people who have won the lottery, but not the millions. So somebody win, but you know, I have my own overthinking of it. But Wife for Life wanted to medal, so I supported her.
Yeah.
If she wins, we win.
In England, they have this saying: if you got to be in it to win it. So
Right. Don't have a ticket, don't have a chance.
Yeah.
You know, so anyway, but we'll put a cap on how long we'll do this.
Yeah.
You know, because like I say, my heart is not
fully
into it. You know.
Yeah, if we spending more than what we win, then
The house always wins.
exactly.
Alright. So first things first.
Yeah, what do we have to do now?
My office is looking a bit. I don't like the way it looks. This here is a sofa. This is actually a sofa bed. What happened is that we ordered a new sofa,
Yeah,
and the sofa was supposed to come.
it was end of April.
The
They
sofa was
said.
supposed to come the end of this month. Last week, somebody from the company called me and told me that it's not available until the end of May. Fortunately, I don't have any clients that's coming here because this would be embarrassing for them to sit on.
No.
So what I've done at the moment, this is one of Jay's bed sheet. And I took it just to cover,
Yeah.
because there's a lot of, you see on the floor, these are the black things. You know, is what comes off the chair.
Yeah, don't buy fake leather.
Just get the real thing because you're gonna end
Yeah.
up after buying a second one. Even though, if I'm being honest, this did last
It lasted about 3 years, didn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sitting on his desk at the moment.
It's the only person that's allowed to sit on the
Yeah,
desk.
it's just me.
You know? So, that thing that I was doing yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So, in the last couple of days, we've been pretty much at what we do normally. I write Wife for Life draws. She Fame. I write off inspiration, and I had an inspiration to write this thing about life. After you read it, I kind of realized that I don't have to write any more to it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because my intention was to write this whole long thing, you know? But then I realized after you read it that what I was inspired to write was already covered in those lines. I wanted to put it on my channel, but I don't really like my voice. I like my voice for talking. I don't like my voice for recitals. So I was asking Wife for Life to recite it for me.
I thought that, okay, well, on your channel people are used to hearing his voice because he sits in front of the camera and he talks about topical issues, political issues, so they know your voice already, so I thought maybe it's better that they hear your voice with this.
I'm gonna let you guys hear my voice with it at the moment, and then you guys can tell me what you think of it, so check it out now. Birth, and emerge from unconsciousness into a state named life. Life, colorful activities of an abstract existence occurring every day. Day, a duration of sunlight or brightness intercepted by night. Night, a darkness indicating a complete rotation of Earth. Earth, home of all living things until death. Death, a resumption of unconsciousness. Again, as we wake to the noises of life and its never-ending chaos, we embrace today without choice. This is life, a fated existence beyond our control, journeyed with speculations and vain pursuance of ideals, religions, politics, and wealth, harnessed by trained emotions of prejudice and endless isms, while being staggered by love. And so, Earth's natural murmurs are drowned out by our activities. Gradually, we grew deaf to its tune and blind to its revolving order as crucial information subsides. Still, there is hope. Earth is big, and we occupy only a small part of it. Explore outside the confines of man-made societies, trek to the mountains, and inhale. Swim in rivers, lakes, and seas. Exhale. Discover other creatures in their natural habitat. Say nothing, and you will hear the natural melodies of Earth. Apply patience, and you will hear the message. That was my voice, but I did add some effects to it.
Echoey.
Yeah, I did add
effect,
some.
yeah.
I have the software on the computer that I can change different effects of the voice and add a little soundtrack to it.
Yeah.
And I also thought that the soundtrack would enhance it somewhat.
Yeah, I think it sounded very soothing. I mean, I don't know if I'm used to your voice, but it sounded very soothing, and you know, I could fall asleep with that.
She falls asleep with that voice every night. I still wanted you to have a go.
Yeah.
You know, I wanted you to read it, and
I'll still do it.
that one was just words and my voice.
Yeah.
So I would like to add maybe like videos or photos over it as to what exactly I'm talking about, you know. Because some people read and some people enjoy reading.
Yeah.
Right, and some people don't understand exactly what they're reading, so sometimes visuals
is better.
is better when you're doing things. So you know, you could have a go now, so our audience can hear what you sound like reading it. You know, because when you do it, I'm not gonna add any effects to it.
Oh.
I'm just gonna leave it raw, like the ones we normally do. Because when you read the past ones that you've done for me,
Yeah.
I've not enhanced it. I just enhanced that one because I don't like my voice for recital, you know. So let me find it here. Initially, it was called Awake, and then I decided to change the name to Hear the Message. That name came after you actually read it.
Okay.
Because the last line of it was saying, hear the message. All right. Okay, this is Wife for Life premiere. You know, this is not the official, of course, but, you know. Yeah.
Okay, Hear the Message by Ian T. Sabas. Birth. And emerge from unconsciousness into a state named life. Life. Colourful activities of an abstract existence occurring every day. Day. A duration of sunlight or brightness intercepted by night. Night. A darkness indicating a complete rotation of Earth. Earth. Home of all living things until death. Death. A resumption of unconsciousness.
Okay, so that's good.
Yeah.
But I would like you to read it at more of a slower pace.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Kind of like, because we're talking about Earth and life, and and a part of it, I'm actually saying how busy we are as people.
Yeah.
You know, so I would want you to like say it in your nice, sensual, calm voice.
Posh British voice.
Yeah. So if it's done at a more like you're not being hurried.
Yeah.
You know. So okay, we'll do just the first verse and see how that is.
Okay.
Who's that?
It's the child downstairs.
Okay. Alright. So we'll start with the first verse.
You want to wait for that child to shut up?
No, it's cool. We're keeping it real.
Okay. Again, as we wake to the noises of life and its never-ending chaos, we embrace today without choice. This is life, a fated existence beyond our control, journeyed with speculations and vain pursuance of ideals, religions, politics, and wealth, harnessed by trained emotions of prejudice and endless isms, while being staggered by love.
Yeah. This was up, man.
Be a voiceover.
So in the meantime, Wife for Life has been doing her drawing.
Yes. I'm in the middle of one at the moment. I did a drawing of Halle Berry and Fetty Wap. And also I did 2 Jamaican politicians. One is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. And one is a politician for the opposing party, and what's that?
Damien Crawford.
Damien Crawford.
Yeah, we decided to draw Damien Crawford only because he has dreadlocks.
Yeah.
And I believe he is the first Jamaican politician
to have dreadlocks.
Tell us what you guys think of Wife for Life and what
my drawing.
Drawings.
Yeah, I'm drawing. I started it already, Al Pacino.
Right.
So, yeah, just gonna just gonna draw it.
Well, I mean, I've even published a magazine of her work. Let me show you guys real quick.
Yeah.
So this is a magazine that I published for her. Here she is, featuring the artist, publisher's notes, you know. Yeah, there she is, capturing a moment. Yeah.
So these are all.
These are some of the people that are in the books, and on the other page, the first page as well, it's got some, you know. So yeah, we've got Kim Kardashian, Cheryl Cole, Will Smith, Penelope. Yeah. and so on.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the second edition of what I published for her. This is part 2. That's Bob Marley, of course.
Yeah.
Art actually looked better than the actual picture.
I've made him look more handsome.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I love this one, you know, of Ali Berry. Yeah, it's nice. Got Fetty Wap there. And yeah, it's nice.
This is I don't have the picture, but this is a dog that...
That's gonna be used for one of my books cover. Yeah. Look who decided to join us. The working man, of course.
Yes!
So what's the story today?
What you doing?
I'm only home for like maybe 2 hours.
I feel his pain. He's doing what in Switzerland we call Zimmerstunden.
Yeah.
Split shift.
Split shift. Zimmerstunden in English, that would translate to home hours.
Room hours, yeah.
Room hours.
Yeah.
Room hours. So what that means is he starts
In the morning?
and come home and then go back. What time did you start?
About 8:30.
8:30.
But I got there a little bit early, so I took like 40 minutes.
Okay. We woke up about 12 o'clock, midday. No, I woke up at 7. I woke up at 7. Yeah, I woke up at 7.
I was dead to the world.
I was checking the statistics of YouTube. One of my YouTube. My solo channel has had a video that's
Doing well.
doing well, kind of like heading towards viral. So I was just checking the comments and status on it. And then I remembered that we had an appointment. Because, you want to tell them what the appointment was about?
You know the story about the parking place and how we have to walk about 15 minutes to it. Well, I was continuously looking online and in hopes that there's one nearer. And the other day, there was one nearer.
We got another parking place which is only like
5 minutes.
5 minutes walk away from here.
Yeah.
So the one that we've rented at the moment, the plan is to, well, I already sent a notice of cancellation to the people because we definitely have to take this one. It's less walking.
Yeah, and it's cheaper.
It's not so far from the bus stop.
Yeah,
you know?
it's about the same
Yeah,
distance.
yeah, same distance from here to the bus stop.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. At the moment, we are loving our parking place.
Yeah,
The only thing that we hate about it is the walk.
Yeah.
Check this out. She is finally parked. Yeah. Now for our 12 minutes walk.
Wow, 15 because I'm tired.
That was a clip that we did. I actually recorded that with the phone
Okay.
the last time we were there.
walk.
But I forgot to put it in our last vlog. Lunch is served.
Yes, just made a little light salad.
Okay.
You know, chicken salad.
Chicken salad, not bad. Yeah.
Oh, he's going, what's the word? Natural.
Vegan.
So after we eat, I'm going to finish my Al Pacino drawing. Well,
Right.
not finish, but get on with it.
No.
And yeah, we'll be there for maybe a couple of hours.
And we know this vlog was not our typical style.
No.
We're just feeling it out to see
How it is.
how it is, you know. So that's pretty much
It
it
for
for them.
today.
Yeah. Like we always say.
Ciao for now.
Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. We are here in Antina.